Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds I and A. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the I sound in the word hit, hit, hit. Now the A sound in the word hate, hate, hate. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I hate to get hit. I hate to get hit. I hate to get hit. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!